Hey YouTubers, it's Natural Virgo 1922, better known as Jolene Andre. In today's video, we're going to talk about my adventures in Dubai. If you like the content of this video, please hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified of upcoming videos, please hit the notification bell. Let's get right into it. Okay, so let's talk about my trip to Dubai. It took place January 16th of 2020, and I came back January the 25th of 2020. The best 8 or 9 days of my life, but I kind of missed my flight, so it was an extra day in Dubai, but let's not count that. But anyway, let's get into this video. Now, I booked my trip 6 months out in advance for my flights. The flight tickets, the ticket prices were actually $800, like literally with taxes and everything, $8. I flew out in Emirates out of the Fort Lauderdale International Airport. It was cheaper to kind of fly out of Fort Lauderdale. I don't think Emirates flies out of Miami. For some reason, Emirates does not fly out of Miami. It flies out of Fort Lauderdale. Usually, in most cases, if I want to get an extra cheap deal, I'll fly out of Miami. But for some reason, Emirates just flew out of Fort Lauderdale. I was happy. I'm like literally 15, 20 minutes away from it. Emirates is a really nice, I want to say luxury airplane in the air, like a hotel in the air. Like from start to finish, it was awesome. Now, I basically flew coach. I never fly first class. I don't have money like that. Now, if I was rich, a billionaire, a millionaire, I would do it. But the room and the seatings and the customer service were awesome. Now, my flight didn't leave till like 6 o'clock on a Thursday. And I didn't arrive in Dubai till like Sunday. No, Saturday. I arrived Saturday. I want to make sure I arrived Saturday. I'm thinking of Thailand. But no, I flew out on a Thursday and I arrived in Dubai on a Saturday. The flight was 14 hours straight shot. Now, there was no layover, no stops. It was a straight 14-hour flight. Very smooth. A little bit of turbulence, but that's very expected when you're flying long trips. Now, when you get into the plane, you find your seating. And you get to pick your seats. Now, I paid an additional, I think, $37 each way. So it came up to like $66 or $77 with tax. So I can sit by the window. Now, you have the opportunity of paying for your seat arrangements depending on where you want to sit. If you want to sit in the middle, the inner or outer corner in the aisle section, or if by the wings or towards the back of the flight. It's not a Bowie. I'm not quite sure what it is. Don't quote me on this. But I did pay extra so I can sit by the window. I kind of like sitting by the window. It gives me opportunity to lay my head down when I'm taking a nap. I also have one of those things that you put around your neck, but it's not really that comfortable. I kind of use it as a cushion, but I tend to pick window seats. All my flights are always going to be window seats. Like ever since I was small, it's always been window seats. I like to look out. And then, of course, the comforting knowing I'm near a window. I don't want to be by the aisles because a lot of people be hitting your knee or brushing against your shoulder kind of thing. But, to each his own. And then, of course, when you sit by the window, you always have that hesitant of, oh, my God, you're going to disrupt people so you can go to the bathroom. But on my flight, going and coming, I literally had no one in my aisle. I had one guy. He's actually from United Emirates, and he was going back. He was on vacation. Very nice dude. I don't remember his name. That we conversed for a little bit. But when you get into the flight, they give you a menu, and the menu is like an a la carte. It's from vegan, kosher, all of this. You get to pick your meal accommodations prior, but they kind of give it to you a good, like a little restaurant menu kind of thing. It was very nice. So they give you your dinner, your snack, your appetizer, and a little mid snack, and then another meal, which will be considered breakfast when you actually get over there. Because remember, it's going to be time differences. So when you're leaving, you're eating dinner United States style. And then, of course, when you're getting over there, you're going to be having breakfast or lunch their style. Now, the menu is catered towards United Emirates food. Like you're going to have that jasmine or that aromatic rice, and then of course you're going to have some kind of curry, chicken or lamb or whatever. So it is really good, and the presentation is spectacular. I did take pictures of the food, but I deleted them. Forgive me on that, but the food is really beautiful. Presentation is beautiful. Unlimited wine. I want to say beer was free too. Beer was free. Like, they didn't put a cap on it either. Like, I think I had like 3 glasses of red wine. You have reds, you had your Chardonnays, and you had your blushes. And you had the choices of your beers. And it was like, they didn't charge you for it. And I really loved it. And then I think after dinner, after they finish serving you, of course, before you take off, they give you this little poncho thing that has like a face mask, that has toothbrush, toothpaste, and earbuds, so you can go to sleep. And after they give you that little poncho thing, mine's are in my closet, in my suitcase, my traveling bag. I forgot to take them out. They turn off the lights in the inside of the cabin. And literally, it's like little stars. You're going to see clips of it. Like, literally, you're going to see a clip of the interior of the airlines and me showing you. And further up in first class, they literally have a bar. Like, the seating arrangements are so comfortable and so luxurious. And they literally have a bar. I'm not talking about a little something, something. No, we have a half a bar, literally, and then you have a bartender, and you go up there and you get, if you want, mixed drinks or whatever the case might be, which I thought was really cool. It's like literally a hotel in the air. Emirates was very comfortable. I highly recommend anybody who's flying. It wasn't too cold. To be honestly with you, it wasn't really cold. American Airlines going to Thailand was extremely cold, and I had like an army jacket on. But the flight going and coming was very relaxed and very smoothing. Of course, there was 2 different languages when they're making their announcements, the takeoff and taking off kind of thing, to accommodate, international flyers on there. But I had a really good time. And then, of course, when I got to the Dubai airport, it was very interesting. At the time, it was like probably, 3 o'clock in the morning? 3 o'clock in the morning or something like that. 3 or 4. So everything was pretty much closed. The airport is like a freaking mall, like literally a mall. So when we landed, it was nighttime and I wasn't able to see a lot of things. Well, morning, but it was just night. It was very gorgeous. It was breathtaking. To see all the twinkling lights on the floors and stuff. And mind you, it's my first time going to Dubai. I watched a lot of YouTube videos on what to expect and be prepared. And I highly recommend that. That's about it. So I hope that's about it. That's about it. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the content of the video, once again, please subscribe. If you like to be notified of upcoming videos, please hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.